What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about open low high close and open high low close. Again, if you have not watched previous video, you really should go and watch that, because we are indeed going to be talking about power of 3, okay, and how power of 3 correlates within these candles. Okay, so to get started, in a bullish scenario, in a bullish candle, let's say this is your 1 hour candle. Boom, this is your 1 hour candle. Okay, what are we going to be looking for within this 1 hour? Okay, so we're going to have accumulation in this 1 hour. Okay, and then we're going to seek to manipulate to sweep some sort of sell side down here. Okay, and then we'll inverse it for a value gap, and then you have your low high lower low, your breaker, and price will go high, and then price will close down here. Okay, this is what a open low high close consists of. Okay, it is really useful in trading. I actually just executed a trade based off this whole trading strategy, okay, this whole concept. Okay, so to go over this scenario, we're gonna have open and price will accumulate again, and then we'll have open high. Okay, then we'll have again your breaker here, high low higher high. This is your breaker for 5, this is your unicorn, and then price goes to the higher time frame, draw liquidity, and we close here. Okay, this is your open high low close, and this is over here your open low high close. Okay, and it's fairly simple. Okay, we have your accumulation here. Whoa, sorry, your accumulation here. Let me switch this up, make it a little bit lighter. Okay, you have your manipulation here, and then you have your beautiful distribution here. Okay, so let me make this red, and then you have your beautiful distribution there, open low high close, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Okay, same thing here. Okay, here's your accumulation. Okay, put this right there, your manipulation, and then price has your beautiful distribution lower. Okay, this is your power of 3. Okay, this is what you're going to be seeking going to every single day. Okay, and this could be on the 1 hour and the 4 hour candles. Okay, so the most important ones are going to be the ones that happen at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Okay, so again, you can use this indicator right here to help you. If you go, let me show you right here. If you go to indicators, if you go to higher time frame power of 3, so 2 degrees, you should use that indicator, and you can pop that one open right there. Go to settings, and you can use the 1 hour one. So 1 hour one or the 4 hour one. So if you're in the 4 hour chart, right, if the 4 hour candle opens, right, the 4 hour candles opens at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m., right, so you can pop the 4 hour open and see the AMD happen there, right? So now I'm going to show you how to really use this real time. Okay, trade that I took right here. Okay, so coming into this, I saw we had relative equal lows down here. Okay, we had relative equal lows down here, and then we ended up sweeping buy side liquidity here. We swept buy side, whoops, buy side liquidity. Okay, let me put this, boom, boom. Now let me go on a 5-minute here. I did see we had a change of state of delivery here, making price bearish. Okay, I was very bearish. Okay, let me go on even a lower time frame. So actually, let me mark this out for you guys. Change of state of delivery here. Change of state of delivery. Then we had, what was it, a 5-minute I believe was holding us. What was it? 2-minute. There we go. We had a 3-minute for value gap here. Okay, we had this beautiful SIBI. Okay, we had a nice SIBI here. Okay, whoops. Okay, and then what did I notice here? I was like, okay, perfect. This is lunch low, and what are we creating here? We're creating low resistance liquidity, right? On our way up, we have low resistance liquidity below us here. Okay, we have swept liquidity so far. Price has changed the state of delivery in a lower time frame. Wanting price to come on a higher time frame, we have relative equal lows below us. This is the target here. Okay, let me put this target real quick so you guys can. We have a buy side liquidity. We have change of state of delivery here, we have a SIBI holding us, right? And then what is lunch doing? We are accumulating. And then what do you think I am expecting for the 1 p.m. candle to do, right? So if I'm bearish, okay, if I am bearish here, I'm expecting the 1 p.m. candle to manipulate higher. Okay, so we can have that open, high, low, and then close. Okay, right? Because I'm bearish, right? So if I'm bearish, I want the 1 p.m. candle to sweep buy side liquidity. Okay, in this case, it's a turtle soup, right? Because we do have a low, high, lower low. This is your bullish breaker. A bullish breaker in bearish market structure is a bearish turtle soup. So I marked out my turtle soup right here. Okay, as you can see, that's my fill right there. Turtle soup right there. So boom, turtle soup right there. That's where I shorted. And I wanted to short 2 cons. I had one more up here just in case we do reach up there. So we did not reach all the way up there, so I ended up closing everything out at the bottom of this low resistance, which was the lunch low. Okay, and there is my close right there. Okay, again, we have a fair value gap here. If I had my second contract, I would have closed everything out right here. Okay, that's how you would use open, high, low, close in this example, right? Because you're bearish. So again, you want to sweep. If you're bearish, you want to sweep buy side liquidity. You want to sweep buy side liquidity and then target low resistance and target the higher time frame drawn liquidity. Okay, which in this scenario is these relative equal lows down here. And you want to use this to your advantage. Okay, you want price to manipulate. Okay, if you understand time makes it so easier. Shout out to Adonomics, by the way. This guy is insane. If you understand time and you understand that price needs to manipulate, right, higher first before going lower, right? Before we go down, we need to go up, right? So we sweep buy side liquidity. In this case, again, it's a turtle soup. 1 p.m. open, so we are expecting the open, high, low, close, and this is a perfect example of that. Okay, again, I wasn't planning on trading, but I was like, oh, let me see if there's anything good here, and I saw it and I was like, oh my god, this is perfect because I'm gonna make a video on it today. So this was perfect. Okay, let's hop on a daily chart and see another example here. Okay, all right, perfect. So this is a perfect example here. As you can see, we have our open, low, high, close, right? So let me mark this out for you guys. We have our close right here. We have our open right here. Okay, this is the low, and this is the high of the high of this candle. Okay. Okay, perfect. All right, and what did we do? We ended up sweeping this sell side liquidity down here. Sell side liquidity. Okay, and let me put this. Perfect. Okay, now let's hop on a lower time frame and see what ended up happening here. So what do we see here? We have our beautiful accumulation here. Okay, we had our beautiful accumulation here. Then we had our manipulation lower. Okay, this is our manipulation lower, so we're gonna put right here. Manipulation lower right here. Boom. And then what did we have here? Again, remember low, high, lower, low. This is your breaker. Let me go on a 5 potentially, can I? Low, high, lower, low. This is your breaker for value gap unicorn setup to go and distribute price higher, right? There's your accumulation, manipulation to your distribution. Okay, and this is again open, low, high, close. See that? And what do we sweep? We sweep all this low resistance. Okay, we sweep all these low resistance into this high. Oops, into this high right here. Okay, this is your buy side liquidity. Whoops. Okay. And this is your potential another buy side, which it looks like we were reaching for. Looks like we potentially take this the next day. Yeah, we ended up taking that the next day. Agent session open, right? And then this is the target, right? Perfect. Okay, that's another example here. This is on the daily time frame, guys. So if you guys go and see this, you know, go and back test it yourself. You'll see it all the time. Okay, you'll see the open. Okay, you'll see the open, low, high, close. If you're bullish, you want price to go lower first, sweeping sell side, and then you want to catch the nice beautiful expansion higher. Okay, I already showed you one example of when I was bearish. Now this is the example when we're bullish. Okay, when I'm bearish, I want open high. I want the opposite of this. I want open high, low, close, right? But I'm bullish in this example that I'm showing you guys. So I want open low, high, close, okay? But you want to see this happening on the 10 a.m. opening candle and the 2 p.m. opening candle. Why? Because these are the openings of the 4-hour candles, okay? They're the most important ones. These are where it's going to become even more clear. But again, if you can go and backtest yourself, it'll become a lot more clear. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it wasn't too complicated. I try to make it as easy as possible to understand. Again, go and backtest this for yourself. Again, for those of you that don't understand time and price, it is very important. Okay, shout out to Adanomics and ICT for really teaching this and pushing this out there. Not many traders really talk about time. Okay, it's very, very important to have time aligned with price and price aligned with time. Okay, if time isn't aligned with price, it doesn't matter, and if price isn't aligned with time, again, it does not matter, right? Go and back test this for yourself. Again, the reason I make these videos is to help people out and to keep my mind very fresh. Okay, other than that, you guys can feel free to join the free Discord. It's in the description below. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.